Kyla Etisnes, born on May 21st, 1991 in Adelaide, Australia, is a prominent personal trainer, author, and entrepreneur. She gained fame for her Bikini Body Guides, a series of fitness ebooks that emphasize high-intensity workouts designed for women. Kyla graduated as a master trainer from the Australian Institute of Fitness at 18 and began her career in a women's gym, where she developed a keen understanding of her clients' fitness goals, focusing on toning and strength without the fear of becoming bulky. In 2013, Kyla co-founded the Bikini Body Training Company with her ex-fiancé Toby Pierce. Their innovative use of social media propelled her to fame, amassing millions of followers on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. By 2016, Sweat with Kyla, her workout app, became the highest grossing fitness app globally, showcasing her ability to connect with a broad audience. Kyla advocates for a balanced lifestyle rather than extreme dieting or rigorous training regimens. Her BBG program consists of 28-minute workouts, which can be easily integrated into busy schedules. She emphasizes that her guides are not just about weight loss, but about fostering a healthy, maintainable lifestyle. Beyond her professional achievements, Kyla is also a devoted mother and has recently remarried. Her journey reflects a commitment to empowering women through fitness and promoting a positive body image.